This is not bone, and it is about to become something no one expects. One pair of these can outlast a human lifetime, but only if the next 8 minutes go perfectly. The material arrives still warm from the animal that grew it, a giant, mythical beast. A full-grown White Horn Brahman can carry more than 60 pounds of pure keratin on its head. This bag will sell for more than most cars. Its handles began as weapons. Welcome to the only facility on Earth built to turn Brahman horns into luxury travel bags. Every horn that enters this building has already been judged by hand. A single hairline crack, invisible to the eye, will scrap an entire piece. These animals are not raised for meat. Their horns are the product. Only horns above a precise diameter continue. Everything smaller is rejected. This single plant processes more White Horn Brahman material than any other location on the planet. What you are about to see has never been filmed at this scale.
Each horn is a living structure that grows continuously for the animal's entire life.
The white color is not paint. It is genetics that took generations to perfect.
The separation is done only after the animal has lived a full productive life.
Speed matters. Bacterial growth begins the moment the horn leaves the animal. Some of these horns will wait weeks before their journey continues. Only the top 3% of every harvest becomes bag material. From this moment, every single piece is traceable for the rest of its life. Heat softens the keratin sheath just enough to release what hides inside. The transformation begins here, and it is irreversible. What remains is pure keratin, one of the toughest natural materials on Earth.
Too much heat, and the color turns yellow. Too little, and the structure collapses.
In less than 48 hours, the material becomes hard enough to machine. Every cut is calculated to maximize the usable curve. Horn is thermoplastic. Heat it correctly, and it will hold any shape you force it into. This press applies more force than a car crusher, yet the surface never cracks. The shape is permanent the moment the temperature drops below 100 degrees. No two handles will ever look the same. That is the entire point. This machine processes more keratin in one cycle than most workshops see in a year.
It works to tolerances tighter than a human hair.
The final gloss is measured by light reflection, not by eye. By the end, the surface feels like polished ivory. The joint is stronger than the original horn itself. One drop would destroy 6 months of work. Machines can shape it. Only a human can decide when it is finished. She has rejected more pieces than most people will ever see.
The bag and the horn must look like they grew together. Each stitch is pulled to exact tension. Too tight and the leather will tear years later.
They have never measured this joint with a tool. Their hands know the tolerance.
If the horn handles survive this, they will survive a lifetime of airports. His name will be inside the bag for as long as it exists.
This is the moment the material stops looking like horn and starts looking like jewelry.
No two bags receive the same pattern. The horn decides the shape. The color match is done by eye under 3 different light temperatures.
The brass will tarnish. The horn will not.
What the owner never sees is often the most carefully made part. The bag is now more valuable than the materials that created it. Any weakness in the horn-to-leather bond will reveal itself here.
A luxury travel bag that leans is not a luxury travel bag.
It will not be touched by human hands again until it reaches its owner. This is the first time the product looks finished. Everything after this is logistics. What began as individual horns is now a continuous river of finished product. The box alone costs more than many complete bags on the market. This room holds more value than most small cities produced in a month. Temperature and humidity are monitored every 30 seconds until the doors close.
Within 72 hours, these bags will be on 3 different continents.
This facility never sleeps. Demand does not allow it. Most owners will never know the animal that grew the handles. It will outlast the flights, the hotels, and most of the clothes packed inside it. From living keratin to permanent object in less than 30 days. One animal. Multiple bags. A lifespan measured in generations.
Automation built the volume. Human hands still decide the soul. In the world of luxury travel, these handles have become a quiet signal.
Every year, this single factory turns more than 12,000 pairs of White Horn Brahman horns into objects that will travel farther than the animals that grew them ever could. You will never look at a pair of horns the same way again.